Let's talk about structure of bacterial cell. If you observe the bacterial cell, outer side, cell envelope is found. It has three layers. The outermost layer is called glycocalyx. Inner to that is the cell wall, and innermost layer is the plasma membrane. So, envelope of three layers is found in the bacterial cell. Glycocalyx is the outermost layer in the bacterial cell. It is formed of peptidoglycan and mucilage. The peptidoglycan is a protein plus carbohydrate, and mucilage is similar kind of carbohydrate compound. These are the chemicals which are found in the body of living organisms. Glycocalyx of two kinds. It is in the form of slime layer or capsule. If glycocalyx is thin, it is called slime layer. But if it is thick and tough covering, it is called as a capsule. So glycocalyx is the outermost layer which is protective in function. It protects the bacteria against phagocytic cells. What is phagocytes? Phagos means to engulf. Cyte means cell. So phagocytic cells are the cells which try to engulf the bacteria, and glycocalyx, the outermost layer, protect it from the phagocytes as well. It helps the bacteria to attach or associate with the other bacterial cells. Now, the cell wall. Cell wall is inner side to the glycocalyx and outer side of the plasma membrane. Cell wall is mainly concerned with the maintenance of the shape of the bacteria and help the bacteria to withstand the pressure. Cell wall is formed of peptidoglycan or murein, which is also called mucopeptides. Along with that, carbohydrates, proteins and lipids are also present in the constitution of the cell wall. On the basis of composition of the cell wall, bacteria are of two kinds, that is gram-positive and gram-negative bacteria. We'll talk the difference between gram-positive and gram-negative bacteria later on in the next video. Cell wall prevent the bacteria from collapsing or from bursting in the different mediums. If the cell wall of the bacteria disintegrates, the bacteria dies. This way, cell wall is a rigid covering of the bacterial cell which provide structural support to the bacterial cell. Now, the plasma membrane. The innermost layer of the cell envelope is the plasma membrane. Plasma membrane possesses a different kind of enzymes, and it is metabolically active layer. It is a semi-permeable kind of membrane. The membranes are of different kind: permeable, semi-permeable, impermeable, and selectively permeable. Plasma membrane in the case of bacterial cell is a semi-permeable membrane which allows the movement of water. Structure of plasma membrane is similar in prokaryotic and eukaryotic organisms. Plasma membrane is formed of phospholipid bilayer and the proteins. Plasma membrane also possesses some receptors. This helps the bacteria to identify the different substances which come out in contact with the bacterial cell. As well, enzymes are present in the plasma membrane which are concerned with the DNA replication. DNA has the ability to form new DNA of its own kind, and this is called DNA replication. In short, we can say DNA forms DNA, that is DNA replication. The enzyme for DNA replication is present in the plasma membrane. It is also concerned with the cell wall formation and formation of the lipid substances in the bacterial cell. In the bacteria, the genetic material is present, and this region is called nucleoid, or also called genophore primitive nucleus. It is a double-stranded circular DNA found in the bacterial cell, and this region is called nucleoid. It is itself is the primitive nucleus, as there is no nuclear membrane present surrounding this genetic material. It is also called bacterial chromosome. Nucleus is the region where genetic material or bacterial DNA is present. Along with the DNA, some other organic compounds are also present with it. Now the specific structure, and that is mesosome. Mesosome is a part of plasma membrane And simply, the plasma membrane shows inner folding towards the cytoplasmic region of the bacteria, and this is called a mesosome. Mesosome has a specific function like respiration, as respiratory enzymes are present on the mesosome in the case of bacteria. It is similar to that of mitochondria found in the eukaryotic cell. We know mitochondria of the eukaryotic cell is the energy house or the powerhouse. Similarly, mesosome is the powerhouse of the bacterial cell as it possesses enzymes for anaerobic respiration. The inner folding of the plasma membranes constitute vesicles, that is round or oblong structure, tubules, that is cylindrical or the tube-like structure as well. Lamellar or membranous structures are formed from the plasma membrane in the cytoplasmic region of bacteria. Mesosome is also concerned with the cell formation and other metabolic processes like secretions from the bacterial cell. So, large number of enzymes are present in the mesosome and it is enzymatically active structure. This small circular DNA present in the bacterial cell are called as plasmids. Plasmid is itself a DNA, but it is other than bacterial genetic material or bacterial chromosome. These are small circular DNA molecules are present in the bacterial cell. Such large number of plasmids may present in each bacterial cell. The plasmid provide some phenotypic characteristics and some special characters to the bacterial cell. Phenotypic character means appearance of the bacteria is due to presence of this plasmid inside it. It also provides resistance to the bacteria against the antibiotics. Same way, in some cases you heard the bacteria has ability of nitrogen fixation. Yes, that is Rhizobium bacteria. And this ability of Rhizobium bacteria is the unique character due to its own plasmid inside it. Chromatophores. This chromatophores cannot be observed in the bacterial cell. That's why we cannot draw in the bacterial cell. But what is chromatophore? Chromatophore are the specific kind of granules present in the cytoplasmic region which contain specific kind of pigments or coloring substances which are responsible for the photosynthesis. It is found only in the blue-green algae and concerned with the photosynthesis. These pigments are called bacterial chlorophyll. It is different from that of the chlorophyll found in the higher plants, but its function is same in blue-green algae. And that's why due to presence of chromatophore in blue-green algae or cyanobacteria, it is autotrophic in mode of nutrition, whereas bacteria, mycoplasma and PPLO are always heterotrophic in their mode of nutrition. They cannot synthesize their own food.